Remember when robot vacuums first appeared? Bumbling around our homes like confused turtles, bonking into furniture and getting hopelessly trapped under coffee tables? Those days are long gone. Today's robotic cleaners are sophisticated home assistants capable of not just vacuuming but mopping too, all while mapping your home with military-grade precision and emptying their own dust bins. In one corner stands Roomba, the pioneer that turned "I'll Roomba the living room" into a household verb. In the other corner is Roborock, the ambitious challenger that stormed onto the scene with cutting-edge technology and a determination to dethrone the king. As these two titans battle for floor cleaning supremacy, consumers are left wondering, which robot deserves the privilege of crawling across your floors while you Netflix and chill? Let's find out. Design and build. Roomba and Roborock both feature round-shaped designs with low profiles to navigate under furniture. The Roomba Combo J7 Plus measures 13.3 inches wide and 3.4 inches high, weighing about 7.35 pounds. It features an appealing black and silver finish that looks premium in any home setting. The most significant design difference between these brands lies in their mopping mechanisms. The Roomba Combo J7 Plus features a fully motorized mop pad that completely lifts up and away from the floor when carpets are detected. This innovative design prevents carpets from getting wet during cleaning cycles, making it ideal for homes with mixed flooring. In contrast, Roborock's S7 MaxV Ultra uses a different approach. Its mopping pad can lift, but only by about 4 millimeters when detecting carpets. This limited clearance sometimes results in damp carpets after cleaning. However, Roborock has addressed this limitation in their newer S8 MaxV Ultra, which can lift its mop module up to 20 millimeters above the ground while cleaning carpets. For base station design, Roborock offers more advanced functionality. The S7 MaxV Ultra features a dock with 2 water tanks, one for clean water and one for dirty water, allowing it to automatically wash the mop pads, dry them, and refill the water tanks without human intervention. Roomba's current lineup lacks this comprehensive self-maintenance capability. Navigation and obstacle avoidance. When it comes to navigation intelligence, Roborock has a clear advantage. The S7 MaxV Ultra combines an RGB camera with LiDAR technology to create detailed maps and navigate efficiently around obstacles. In CNET's testing using glow stick tracking, the Roborock consistently cleaned every inch of the test floor, while the Roomba missed some spots, particularly around furniture and in corners. Roborock's mapping technology is generally more advanced and includes more detailed information than Roomba's in most cases. During initial mapping runs, Roborock robots tend to create more comprehensive maps of homes, while Roomba sometimes misses entire rooms and requires additional cleaning sessions to complete the job. Both brands offer digital mapping through their smartphone apps, allowing users to see cleaned areas and identify trouble spots. They also provide options to block off areas you don't want the vacuum to clean. Roomba uses keep-out zones, while Roborock employs no-go lines and no-go boxes for both vacuuming and mopping. Self-emptying capabilities. Both Roborock and Roomba offer models with auto-empty charging stations that significantly reduce maintenance requirements. These systems automatically empty the robot's dustbin into a larger collection bag housed in the base station. The process typically produces considerable noise for about 15 to 30 seconds, comparable to a traditional standing vacuum, as debris transfers from the robot to the collection bag. Most self-emptying models use allergen-sealed bags that can hold approximately 60 days of dirt and debris, requiring emptying only about once a month with daily cleaning schedules. When the bag reaches capacity, you'll receive an alert through the companion app, and the base station typically features a full bag indicator light. For those concerned about ongoing costs of replacement bags, Shark offers a unique bagless auto-empty system where debris empties into a larger bin that you manually empty monthly by pressing a button that opens the bottom directly over a trash can. It's worth noting that self-emptying base stations are typically larger than standard charging docks due to the collection canister, though manufacturers have begun placing more emphasis on aesthetics. For example, the Roomba Combo J9 Plus features a classier design with a wood top that doubles as a side table. Battery life. Roborock models generally offer significantly longer runtimes than their Roomba counterparts. The Roborock Q5 provides an impressive battery life of up to 180 minutes, nearly 3 hours on a single charge, powered by a 5200 mAh Li-ion battery. This extended runtime is particularly beneficial for homes with large floor plans or when cleaning multiple floors on the same charge. In contrast, the Roomba Combo 2 Essential runs for up to 120 minutes before needing to recharge. When battery power runs low, both brands' robots automatically return to their charging stations to recharge and then resume cleaning where they left off. Floor type handling. Both brands excel on different floor types, but with distinct strengths. Carpet performance. Roomba models generally deliver superior performance on carpets, especially for homes with mixed flooring. They automatically adjust suction power when transitioning to carpeted surfaces. For effective carpet cleaning, robot vacuums need enhanced suction power, typically 6,000 plus PA, to extract debris embedded deep within carpet fibers. Roomba's technology is particularly effective at handling the transition between different floor types. Hard floor performance. Roborock excels on hard surfaces like tile, laminate, and hardwood. Models like the Grivo Master deliver nearly perfect sweeping performance on hard floors, handling everything from fine dust to large debris. The Roborock S8 performs well on bare floors, though it sometimes struggles with smaller debris against walls and in corners. Mopping capability. Roborock's simultaneous vacuuming and mopping functionality gives it an edge for homes with primarily hard flooring. The Grivo Master's mopping system delivers near-perfect results in testing, particularly with dried-on stains. Advanced models feature electronically controlled water dispensing with multiple flow options and automatic mop pad lifting, 10 mm, when carpets are detected to prevent unwanted wetness. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra adapts exceptionally well to different flooring types with its 6,000 suction power, strong enough for carpets while remaining gentle on hardwood. Its app allows users to create no-go zones and assign specific cleaning modes to different rooms based on floor type. Price and value. Roomba RoboVacs generally provide better value with MSRPs slightly below Roborock's competing Units 3. iRobot's decades of experience in the RoboVac space has established it as a trusted brand, which contributes to its value proposition. That said, Roborock offers more advanced features in its premium models, particularly in terms of self-maintenance capabilities and mapping technology. For consumers willing to invest more for these high-end features, Roborock presents a compelling option despite the higher price point. So which should you choose? The decision between Roomba and Roborock ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. Choose Roomba if you have a mix of carpet and hard floors. The Combo J7 Plus fully lifting mop pad is superior for this scenario. You value brand reputation and reliability. You're looking for slightly better value at a lower price point. You prefer a RoboVac from a company with decades of experience. Choose Roborock if you want superior mapping and navigation technology. You need longer battery life for larger spaces. You value the advanced self-maintenance features, auto-washing mop pads, etc. You're willing to pay more for cutting-edge technology and features. For homes with primarily hard floors, Roborock's simultaneous vacuuming and mopping capability makes it an excellent choice. For homes with significant carpeted areas, Roomba's superior carpet performance and fully lifting mop mechanism might be more suitable. Both brands continue to innovate and improve their offerings, with Roborock quickly gaining ground on the more established Roomba. Whichever you choose, both represent the cutting edge of home cleaning automation technology, offering convenience and efficiency that was unimaginable just a few years ago.